Meet i10X. This platform gives you access to every AI on the market, plus 500 specialized agents for just $25 a month. I like to think of this as my AI command center. Instead of having ChatGPT in one tab and MidJourney in the other tab and Claude on the third tab, you get all of them in one unified interface. I've been using this for about 2 months, and it has saved me nearly $100. I was previously paying for ChatGPT, Nano Banana, Gemini Pro, and Perplexity Pro. All of those models live inside of this one. So major benefit for unlimited plan, you get unlimited usage. If you don't think you are going to use that many tools, they also have a $10 plan a month, which still gives you access to basic LLMs. Or you could do the free plan and get access to the latest ChatGPT and DeepSeek. DeepSeek is one of my favorite models. The fact that for $0 a month you could access ChatGPT without paying for an OpenAI plan is pretty incredible. After about 2 months of using this tool, I can say without a doubt, this is one of the few tools that delivers on its promises. When I first heard about it, I was skeptical. Hearing $25 a month for unlimited usage for over 500 agents, lucky for us, this tool's the real deal. If you are still on the fence about this product, you can try their 7-day free trial. Do real work with it and then see if it has saved you time and money.